Today, we are going to go over general instructions on how to install DuPont Tyvek. Step 1 is to ensure that your framing is ready for your weather barrier application. Step 2, align your roll at the bottom of the wall. Ensure that the roll goes past 2 inches at the bottom of the frame. If a weep sweep is required for plastering, please ensure that it's applied before the Tyvek. Step 3, unwrap the roll starting at a corner and overlap by 6 to 12 inches. Using a cap fastener, install cap every 6 to 18 inches. Unroll directly over windows and doors. Cut the weather barrier to integrate onto the window system. Overlap the top layer of Tyvek with the bottom layer and a minimum of 6 inches. Tape all vertical seams and around windows and doors with 2-inch Tyvek tape.